What's up guys, hope you're doing well. Today we'll have another look into the Zano price chart because we are on the edge of invalidating our $18.87 price target. So let's have a look at this. You may remember in the last update we talked about that we technically already got the time invalidation because we always need to be in the rectangle when the second half is starting. But here we were a couple of days late, and then we also made a very nice move back in the rectangle. And then here, as it currently seems like we are we got rejected here at the trend line and corrected all the way back down, back to the breakout level that we had from this move, and that also activated the price target of $18.87 until the 29th of October. And that means, because we have here the extension, we have given the extension that is this little time window right here, so we have time until the 4th of November technically. But in case we have a candle close below this level here, so below $12.90, let's round this number, below $12.90, that means that then this price target here becomes invalidated. Very important to say is that if I'm saying this price target is being invalidated, that doesn't mean that we will never go there, just that we have a 90% likelihood that we will not reach this price target until, in this case, the 4th of November. So that is why currently I keep my eyes on this price right here, so that we are not having a daily candle close below this level. But even if we have this, even then it doesn't mean that we will not make a new high, and also not a new all-time high, because we are really close to hitting this, or we were close at this level right here. And I do believe that we will get a new high and also a new all-time high, because even if we are invalidating this price target, the bull market is still ongoing. And also, if we take a look into the longer term trend right here, then we can see that we are also still in a bullish setup since April. So we have a very valid upward trend right here. Currently we are just stuck right here and need to get some momentum and then move higher. So we have a lot of resistance to the upside. You can see this right here. We have a horizontal resistance level. We also have the trend resistance level that is from this ascending triangle that we are basically in since April. And we made a quick breakout, but then got rejected from the main resistance zone right here. So there is a lot of resistance right in front of us. The main still is this one right here. But therefore also, if we break this, we do have the highest reward, because you know that in case we are breaking this, we basically get right now 2 new price targets depending on when we will hit this. So if we are hitting this within this time and we don't have an invalidation of this price target, then we will basically clone that and put that on the top, because I know we are all curious. Let's see where this would bring us to. Let's also take the last day. So this would, not exactly, but roughly this would bring us to let's say $25. And then we also have a breakout of this whole move right here. Then probably we'll do this somewhere right here. So that means if we have a daily candle close that is at a new all-time high, then that means that also much bigger price target is being activated. We also have talked about this. I think this is somewhere at $30 if I'm not mistaken. Let's quickly check this out. This is at 31, a little bit more than 30. All right, so that is then a little bit higher than here, the $25 price target. But currently this is all not in the play. First of all, we need to get above the resistance levels, and as long as we are in this, we still have a 70% likelihood that we are reaching the price target in time. In case we have the daily candle close below this, then 90% likelihood that we will hit this price target later on, and therefore also then the potential next price target will be later. So that just means that we need more time. And as it currently seems like the market is still in a very good position, in case anything changes, doesn't matter if it is the general market or also just in Zano, then I will upload a new video. So make sure to subscribe to this channel so you won't miss this. Also, in case you have any questions, feel free to post them down in the comments. That's it for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.